Alright, this is going to be the elevator here at the Courtyard by Marriott near Lakeside Town Center in Lakeland, Florida. It's an Otis Series 1. Unfortunately, it's got an annoying fan. We just look at the cab. We'll try to hear the motor going up to 3. Kind of hear the motor a little bit over the fan. Back down to 1. Door close button works. It's a nice but rather basic elevator for a Courtyard by Marriott. These are your Series 1 buttons, certificate and your phone, fire operation key switches, capacity is 2500, and there is your floor indicator. Here back to 1. Take it right to 3, then we'll get a view from the top. And we are back at 3. There goes the elevator. And now let's see what view we will see on this side. Not sure what direction we'll be facing, but this is what the view will look like once I get to the window. This is kind of a rather small courtyard property. And not much to see other than the Residence Inn next door. There's the north set of stairs, Siemens fire alarm pull station, fire extinguisher, storage closet. Now we'll go to the other side and see what that view offers, then go back down the elevator. And now let's see what this view offers, then go back down the elevator. With the vacuum cleaner. At least this view is a little bit better. Got your view towards Hardin Boulevard, where that road is, and the Polk Parkway / Florida Route 570. Got a Chili's. Next in that building there is a seafood restaurant. I think it says Mr. and Mrs. Crab. And in here is the south exit stair. Another Siemens fire alarm pull station. And another fire extinguisher. Now let's go back down the elevator and end the video. Another storage closet. Linen closet. And here's the elevator. Let's go back down and end the video. There's another fire escape plan map. I forgot to show you one downstairs. I'll make sure I show you that before I end the video. Here it is. Or here's the elevator. There's your ice dispenser and a trash can. Now we'll end down at the first floor. Again, the door closed button works. Watch the button go out. And here we are back at the first floor. Door track, door lock right there. there's the main fire escape plan map on the first floor. Anyways, that was the elevator here at the Courtyard by Marriott, near the Lakeside Town Center, and that will be it.